In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add appointments and services in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want to let visitors book time with you directly from your website, GoDaddy makes that process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add the appointments or services section, customize what you offer, and then publish everything so it's live on your site. To get started, open your GoDaddy Website Builder and go to the page where you want your booking option to appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the option to add a new section. Click Add Section, and then choose Appointments or Services from the available section types. This will place a dedicated booking area onto your website, giving visitors a clear place to view what you offer and schedule with you. After adding the section, the next part is setting up the details in your dashboard settings. This is where you'll configure your services, including the names of each service, the prices you want to charge, and the available time slots customers can choose from. Take your time here, because the information you enter affects the booking experience directly. Make sure each service title is clear and easy to understand, and double check that your pricing is accurate. If you offer multiple options, organize them in a way that makes sense for your customers so they can quickly choose the right one. You'll also want to review your available time slots carefully. Set times that match your real availability and be realistic about how much time you need between appointments if your schedule is tight. A well-configured schedule helps avoid confusion and makes the process smoother for both you and your clients. Once your services, prices, and time slots are set up the way you want, the final step is to click Publish. Publishing pushes your updates live, so your website visitors can immediately see the appointments or services section and start booking based on the settings you created. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly preview the page and make sure everything looks correct. Check that the section appears in the right place, that the service details are clear, and that the booking options reflect your intended availability. And that's it. You've now added an appointments or services section in GoDaddy Website Builder, configured the essential booking details, and published it to your site so customers can start scheduling with you.